Hi, friends! Welcome to ABC Playland. Get ready, we're learning about 100 amazing animals today. Let's start. Dog. Dogs are friendly pets that love to play and bark. Cat. Cats are soft and cuddly animals that purr when happy. Cow. Cows give us milk and often live on farms. Horse. Horses are strong and fast, and people can ride them. Sheep. Sheep have fluffy wool that can be made into clothes. Chicken. Chickens lay eggs and make a cluck sound. Duck. Ducks swim in water and quack loudly. Goat. Goats eat grass and can climb steep hills easily. Rabbit. Rabbits have long ears and love to hop. Lion. Lions are big cats known as the king of the jungle. Tiger. Tigers have orange fur with black stripes. Elephant. Elephants are very large animals with long trunks. Giraffe. Giraffes have long necks to reach high tree leaves. Zebra. Zebras have black and white stripes all over their bodies. Monkey. Monkeys are playful animals that climb trees. Bear. Bears are big, strong, and love honey. Fox. Foxes are clever animals with bushy tails. Wolf. Wolves live in packs and howl at night. Kangaroo. Kangaroos carry their babies in pouches and jump far. Panda. Pandas eat bamboo and are mostly black and white. Koala. Koalas sleep in trees and eat eucalyptus leaves. Camel. Camels have humps to store water and live in deserts. Donkey. Donkeys are strong and help carry loads. Deer. Deer are gentle animals with antlers in males. Hedgehog. Hedgehogs have spiky backs for protection. Squirrel. Squirrels are small and collect nuts to eat. Raccoon. Raccoons have a mask-like face and wash their food. Otter. Otters love to swim and play in water. Beaver. Beavers build dams and have flat tails. Frog. Frogs can jump far and croak loudly. Turtle. Turtles have hard shells to protect themselves. Snake. Snakes slither, and some have colorful patterns. Lizard. Lizards can run fast and often climb walls. Chameleon. Chameleons can change their color to hide. Crocodile. Crocodiles have strong jaws and live in rivers. Alligator. Alligators are like crocodiles but have a wider snout. Iguana. Iguanas are green lizards that enjoy the sun. Tortoise. Tortoises are slow but live a long time. Salamander. Salamanders are small, wet-skinned amphibians. Whale. Whales are huge sea animals that swim in oceans. Dolphin. Dolphins are smart and love to jump out of water. Shark. Sharks are strong fish with sharp teeth. Octopus. Octopuses have 8 arms and can squeeze through tight spaces. Crab. Crabs walk sideways and live near water. Lobster. Lobsters have big claws and live in the sea. Seahorse. Seahorses look like tiny horses and swim upright. Starfish. Starfish live in the ocean and have 5 arms. Clownfish. Clownfish are colorful fish that live in coral reefs. Goldfish. Goldfish are small pets that live in bowls or ponds. Butterfly. Butterflies have colorful wings and fly around flowers. Ladybug. Ladybugs are small red insects with black spots. Bee. Bees make honey and help flowers grow. Ant. Ants are tiny insects that work together in colonies. Grasshopper. Grasshoppers can jump high and make chirping sounds. Dragonfly. Dragonflies are fast-flying insects with shiny wings. Spider. Spiders spin webs to catch their food. Caterpillar. Caterpillars eat leaves and turn into butterflies. Firefly. Fireflies glow in the dark with their lights. Worm. Worms help make soil healthy for plants. Snail. Snails move slowly and carry their shells on their backs. Owl. Owls can see well at night and say hoot. Eagle. Eagles are big birds that fly very high and hunt fish. Hawk. Hawks are sharp-eyed birds that catch small animals. Penguin. Penguins cannot fly but are great swimmers. Flamingo. Flamingos are pink birds that stand on one leg. Parrot. Parrots are colorful birds that can mimic sounds. Crow. Crows are smart black birds that eat almost anything. Pigeon. Pigeons are city birds that can fly long distances. Sparrow. Sparrows are small birds that chirp happily. Robin. Robins have red breasts and sing sweet songs. Peacock. Peacocks have beautiful, colorful feathers. Swan. Swans are elegant birds that swim in lakes. Goose. Geese make loud honking sounds and live near water. Duckling. Ducklings are baby ducks that follow their mother. Turkey. Turkeys are big birds often found on farms. Woodpecker. Woodpeckers peck on trees to find insects. Hummingbird. Hummingbirds are tiny birds that flap very fast. Vulture. Vultures eat leftover food and help keep nature clean. Crane. Cranes are tall birds with long necks that live near water. Seagull. Seagulls live by the sea and eat small fish. Mouse. Mice are small and love to nibble cheese. Rat. Rats are smart and can live in many places. Hamster. Hamsters are tiny pets that like to run in wheels. Ferret. Ferrets are playful and like to hide in tunnels. Chinchilla. Chinchillas have soft fur and jump around. Bat. Bats fly at night and eat insects or fruits. Skunk. Skunks spray a smelly liquid to stay safe. Opossum. Opossums play dead when scared. Seal. Seals swim in the sea and clap their flippers. Walrus. Walruses have big tusks and live in cold seas. Sea lion. Sea lions are playful and make barking sounds. Polar bear. Polar bears live in ice regions and eat fish. Puffin. Puffins are small birds with colorful beaks. Clam. Clams live in the sand and close their shells for protection. Oyster. Oysters live in water and sometimes make pearls. Jellyfish. Jellyfish float in the ocean and have soft, stinging tentacles. Squid. Squids have tentacles and squirt ink to escape predators. Cricket. Crickets chirp by rubbing their wings together. Wow, friends! We just learned about 100 amazing animals. See you next time at ABC Playland for more fun adventures.